Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BigCommerce templates for responsive design, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the BigCommerce website. Log in to your BigCommerce account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the control panel located on the left side of the screen. Click on Storefront in the control panel menu. From the drop-down, select My Themes. You will see your current theme and any available themes. To explore more options, click on Get More Themes. This will take you to the BigCommerce theme marketplace. Browse through the various templates available for download. You can use filters to narrow down options by category or features. Find a responsive design template that suits your store's needs. Click on the template to view more details. Check the demo version to see how it looks in action. Once you've decided on a template, click on the Buy or Free button. If it's a paid template, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase or download process. After the purchase, return to the My Themes section in your control panel. Click on Upload Theme to add your new template. Select the downloaded template file from your computer. After the upload completes, your new theme will appear in the list. To apply the new theme, click on the Apply button next to the template. You can now customize the new template to fit your store's branding. Preview the changes to ensure everything looks good before finalizing. Once satisfied, save the changes and publish your new theme. Your responsive design template is now set up and ready for your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.